In this video we're going to take a walk around the Chaweng night market. So there's no fancy edits or music, just a whole immersive experience. It's one of the biggest night markets in the area in Koh Samui. It's located just outside the central shopping mall, just on the lakeside. It's a great night out for the whole family and you can get some really cheap eats there. Well worth a look. So we're at the Chaweng night market. It's the biggest night market in the area. Hope I'm not mumbling too much, I'm having to wear a mask, so. Been to night markets before, but it's quite a big one. It's a fruit smoothies here. A real smell of fish sauce as I'm going round already. Strong smell. Clothes on this side, food on the other. Fresh vegetables. Smells like garlic bread, chicken goyard, dumplings, sushi. Ribs. Off your food. This is tasty. The old jolly. Thai video.
Thai video.
See that chili in the market. Lots of different things. We've got fruit here. Fresh orange juice. And dumplings here. Various larb, pork and larb, duck. No, Joe will be encouraging to eat that. Curry in a bag. It's really good, got crab curry there. Pork salads here. The meat and skewers. Pancakes. Fish balls. Chicken sausage. Chicken kebab. Beef sausage. Custard tarts. Notice Josie was buying something up here. Chicken and rice. Oh, chicken feet. No, Lee would love that. Lots of skiers. It's got some chicken. What's it like? I think it was a bit too safe, so let's see what I can get next. Lots of different things there anyway. Paradise, pork or beef. These look nice. Crab, stick, squid, chicken ham. One's fine, thank you. Beef sausage. Fermented beef. Probably not going to be brave enough to try that. Please. The beef sausage. It's bulked out quite a bit with like rice. There's a strong sort of lemongrass taste as well. This is where the tour ended. I had a strange reaction to the sausage which left my mouth and lips numb, as well as a little bit high. Turns out this is the infamous numbing sausage, and boy does it pack a punch. It took nearly 2 hours for the effect to wear off. I've had Szechuan pepper before and cook with them regular, but this was on another level. Anyway, I'll know next time. In the next video, we tour the Temple of Wat Inverarven in Bangkok. It features a 32-metre gold Buddha statue we can actually climb up. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see the next one.